Ni ngatho uranyamukira kuma guku ni Limuru na ni county-ini ya Kiambu kuria umuthi thiini wa kanitha uyu etikia makoretwo makinyita ugeni umwe wa aria marakorwo makiruirira giti kia utongoria wa bururi na kiama kia ngano ruri rwakio ari Kagondu na ni Waihiga Mwaure akorwo aingira thiini wa kanitha uyu thiini kuri gongona rirathi na mbere ya twambe tuthiite na maundu maria mangi ngomba gugutwara nginya kuo thiini niguo tuone igongona na tuthikiririe igongona uria rirathi na mbere.
They blew the shofar as a prophetic sign of a new sound. And this is what I believe. I believe in this nation. The conversation has begun. Amen. That the church is not just where you go to get numbers. But if we are 80% as the church, we can raise a leader and raise a manifesto and say anyone that sits on that seat, if you are not going to fulfill this, then you have no business. The church has been quiet. Now, a man has the audacity to stand and sell weed in a nation that is 80% Christian, and only the Catholic Church responded, and Pastor T also responded. I got an online media platform, I responded. But all you're trying to say, a manifesto has already been prepared and decided to have other parties on board, was to increase his stamina in parliament. Because parliament dictates legislative.
That's right. Yes.
So that's why you need a vote and make sure that you vote the right parliamentarian. For the president, it's okay. As the Lord leads you. There you have to vote the right one.
Riri itigetie thiku 29 niguo githurano kinene gikorwo gigithie na mbere kana gigitafanio muthenya ucio ni ati kwa ihinda riri aria othe mararuirira ite cia uteti matirakoma toro makigeria kuha muingi kwendia cioneki ciao niguo gutigirira o umwe neyoera kana nehoera kura imwe ha kana haria hangi na koguo muthenya wa umuthi turerigirira ati muhuraniri giti giki kia president na kiama giki kia ngano Waihiga Mwaure arikiriria githomo na kwariria etikia kanitha-ini uyu nigukorwo akiumira kwariria muingi matura-ini ngurani guku kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria egukorwo akimonia na kumerethera kioneki giake kiria kiratuma akorwo akihoya gukorwo akihoya kura cia guthurwo ari ta mutongoria wa bururi uyu wa Kenya na ona ta aria angi ona makoretwo magika micemanio ya uteti na gukorwo makiariria muingi hana haria ona ke uyu niturerigirira ni gukorwo agithii na mbere na mihango yo na kuona hihi we ni mundu uria twitaga ni umwe wa hunjia ahota gukorwo hihi kana akiariria muingi akorwo akihuthira kanitha iri tari kio gituge giake gigukorwo akiuha etikia kugura kioneki giake na gukorwo hihi ni magamukiria kura wona githurano kia mweri 9 mweri wa kanana giakinyanira na koguo nitukurumanira nake muthenya wothe wa muthenya wa muthi niguo tuigue na tuone uria gukorwo agikorwo akiariria muingi guku kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Handu-ini Hainoro TV kuma Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.